Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Hamster Kombat. Now, everybody has been talking about Hamster Kombat, but there is a secret that a lot of people do not know. And I would just like to keep you updated with that secret instead of having you go on tapping and tapping and tapping and tapping and tapping and accumulating a lot of coins, and at the end of the day your coins do not do anything for you. So everybody knows is to tap. That is what I'm doing. All right, so everybody is going to tap. I am tapping, but again, at the end of the day, what do you do? Really, what is the value of this coin? What is the value of the coin you're tapping? What is the point of actually accumulating all of this coin at the end of the day? Because what Hamster Kombat is eventually going to pay you for is not the coin you've been able to earn by tapping. You can see currently on my screen there is earn per tap, which is what everybody is busy doing now. You can see clearly that my coin is not so much. I just joined recently, and what I did was that I created a new account for the sake and the sole purpose of this video. All right, so yeah, I'm tapping, and you're tapping also. But again, at the end of the day, what Hamster Kombat is going to eventually pay you for is not earn per tap. It is something that is very secretive and a lot of people do not know it. It is the earn per hour. You can see currently I just opened this account and it's barely less than an hour, and my earn per hour is 85 already. Eventually, when it's time to exchange your airdrop for USDT or exchange your airdrop for valuable money, all right, what you're going to be exchanging is your earnings per hour, not the earning per tap. So how do you actually get to earn per hour? That is the secret I'm about to share with you currently here, and a lot of people do not know this, right? So what I would do is that you're going to come here to your mining, all right? Come here to your mining, you know, or you click on earn per hour and you start mining and all that, right? Whatever way you want to do it, you could click earn per hour, you come here, click on start mining, or you can just come down to the bottom of your screen and click on mine, and you're going to choose here. So what you see currently here is that you could use for here the fan token. So what happens here is that there are different cards here. What you're going to do is that the coins you've been able to successfully gather by tapping, you use that same self coin to actually buy a card token here. This token is eventually what you now use to start mining, but a lot of people do not know this. So a lot of people have been just focused on tapping and tapping and tapping, and you accumulate coin, and at the end of the day, ultimately when it's time to actually get value for your coin that you've tapped, you are not able to successfully use it for anything, right? Now, when you go on Twitter here, you would realize that Hamster Kombat, all right, just go on Hamster Kombat have also been able to successfully explain to us that what you get paid for is actually your earnings per hour. What you get paid for is your earnings per hour. You can just go on Hamster Kombat's Twitter page and actually see it for yourself. What you get paid for is your earnings per hour, not exactly what you're tapping. All right, so let's come back to our tapping. Now, what you do exactly here is that you get to use the coins, or rather the coins you've earned from tapping, you get to use it to buy a card or a token with which you can now start earning from mining. Now I'm going to look carefully here. You can see there's fan token here, there's staking token here. You can see currently I already unlocked the fan token, which is 10k. There is the BTC pairs, there is the top 10 CMC pairs, there is the DeFi 2 tokens and all that, DEF 2 tokens, and this is for 40 coins. Now, another thing that a lot of people do not know is that a number of people just come here and then they just go on to just buy any token they see. For instance, you want to use your coin to actually buy tokens here, but if you're using your coin to buy any token here, you need to get value for your money. You need to get value for your coin. For instance, if you're using 300 coins to buy a token, and then 300 coins is eventually generating for you, let's say 100 tokens, you're not getting money for, you're not getting value for your money. That's literally waste. But you can see currently here that when you spend 258 coins, you get to earn 1.5k coin in return. So I'm just going to click on that. You can see top 10 CMC pairs, profit per hour is 2 plus 258 per. Now, the truth is that how many hours really, how many times are you going to, you have other things to do, you have a life, you can't just continue, just be there, just tapping and tapping and tapping and tapping, all right? So eventually, what you get value for is not exactly the tapping, is what you actually do with the money. So what you get value for is actually the earnings per hour. So what I want to do here, I'm just going to click on this. So I get 1.5k in return. So I'm just going to click on go ahead, and we go ahead. Or I'm going to come here to the BTC pairs. Profit per hour is plus 51. All right. I'm just going to click on go ahead, and that's about it. You click on go ahead and it's open for you. Or you come here to, you literally just choose the one that is that looks like it's giving you more value, and you can see this is currently 500k, and you get Lego point. This is 140k, the DeFi coins, and you get you get to spend 350 coin. So literally you can see my earnings per hour has increased. You can see my earnings per hour has increased. So all I have to do right now is to sit back and relax. And then this is just literally accumulated for me by the hour. Of course, you can see currently here that I went from 400 coins, the tapping coins, to 100, which means that I've been able to successfully spend 300. And currently my earning per hour just went up significantly to 136. Like I said, this is barely less than an hour. And look how this is barely, the app literally is less than 2 hours since I created it, including the time of this video creation, and I'm already up 136. So you can literally be up by your tap 1 million, 50 million, 100 million coins, but it really has no value if you don't convert it into your earning per hour. So guys, in the next video, I'm going to be showing you eventually the most successful cards that you buy, the most successful tokens that has worked for me in my other account, and I'm going to be previewing that for you. So if you want to see that video, all I need you to do is to go in the comment section and say I need the next video, so that I can know how I can be able to successfully leverage the Hamster Kombat. You do not want to be left behind. You do not want to have this all done, and then at the end of the day, you're not making profit. You can see I'm still tapping, and it's accumulating. I'm still tapping, but eventually everything I've done from tapping, I'm going to convert by buying tokens, and I earn per hour. All right, guys, see you in my next video.